Real good fish. Just dropping him down unweighted. We spotted him on the sounder there. First thing Mick said was they have to be snapper. And you know what? It was beautiful snap. We're going to be chasing a few deep water snapper here. I've marked up a few on the sounder and yeah, just going to drop him straight down because they're just straight under us. Just going to drop him down on a couple of lifts and hopefully we hook up. Softly going down. Just go by it. Is there some snaps hanging around there? I think so. Oh, fish, bro. This is skinny, eh? Oh no, it might be a big snap. That's awesome. Solid snap on the squidgy prawn. Real good fish. Too good to catch just once. Ready to go.